What's up everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about maintenance and reliability of my 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport. I'm also going to talk to you guys about maintenance and reliability of Alfa Romeo Giulias in general. There's a lot of questions about the reliability and maintenance of this vehicle because it's only been around in the States since 2017. So I'm going to go over some points with you guys. Alright, so I'm going to go over reliability with you guys first. Despite all the rumors, I haven't had any major issues with the Alfa so far. I've had two small issues. One was a recall that got taken care of right away by the dealership. The second was I got an engine light after I installed shortly after I installed the Compulsion V2 intake. After doing some research, I found out that it was the Venturi hose that was on the intake that was causing the engine light to come on. But Compulsion was already on it. They were really quick on their feet with getting a fix for that engine light. So what the issue was, that Venturi hose, they just needed to replace it with a bigger one. And after reaching out to Compulsion, they overnighted me one and I replaced that hose and that light never came on. I haven't had a single engine light come on due to the intake or due to any other reason since. Because the car is still under warranty, any major issues are going to be fixed under warranty. The Alfa Romeo comes with a 4-year, 50,000 mile warranty. Now, once that warranty expires, I already knew ahead of time I wanted to get an extended warranty. I learned this lesson from the Audi I previously had, got an extended warranty and it paid itself over like 4 times. So with the Alfa, after doing a little bit of research when I first got the vehicle, I went ahead and purchased an extended warranty. It's super cheap and it really brings a peace of mind. So the extended warranty I got was like a 7-year, 85,000 mile extended warranty for only $2,000, which is super cheap and it covers almost everything. So I'm good until 85,000 miles or like 7 years. And then after that point, if I have any other major issues, obviously I'll be paying out of pocket. One piece of advice I have when purchasing a vehicle is to keep in mind that that price of the vehicle is not going to be the final price. You want to keep in mind that it's going to be a few thousand extra because you're going to want to get an extended warranty, especially with European cars, because maintenance obviously can be more expensive. For example, we have a 2021 Kia Seltos. It comes with a 100,000 mile warranty, so obviously I did not need to get an extended warranty. But if you get a vehicle that has a 50,000 mile warranty, you're going to want to keep in mind and do research about getting extended warranty. Taking a quick break here to ask you guys to please subscribe. I love to know that there's people interested in these videos. I want to continue to grow this channel, so please subscribe, like, and drop any comments, like questions about the Alfa in general, maintenance, reliability, or any other questions you may have, and I'll definitely try to do my best to answer them. Thank you guys. When you're at the dealership getting ready to make the purchase and they offer you extended warranties, you don't need to buy those extended warranty or that extended warranty right away. You can see what their offer is, see what the warranty covers, the price, and then temporarily decline it. You can, once you leave the dealership, do some research. There are third-party companies that do offer warranty for a lot of vehicles. For example, I didn't get mine directly through Alfa, but it still covers mostly everything. So you can do a price comparison and then see where you want to go from there. Now I want to talk to you guys about maintenance. Maintenance on the Alfa Romeo can be high depending on your area. I live in Northern Virginia, where an oil change at the dealership can run
at $485. Yeah, that's right. That's crazy amount.
$485 in Northern Virginia and some of Maryland. But that same oil change, if you go to Southern Virginia, like Norfolk, it would cost you like $110. So it really depends on your area. It ranges anywhere between $100 and $500 just for an oil change. You don't have to go to an Alfa dealer to do an oil change. You can find a trusted shop that has experience working on Alfas. Like I did, I went to Loudoun County Exotics and paid half of the price, or less than half of the price, for an oil change and my 10K service and so on. So you could do your research or call around to your Alfa dealerships and see what they charge, and then call around to shops that you heard that work on Alfas, and just do a price comparison and work comparison. With Alfa Romeos, if you buy them new, the first 10K service is free. If you buy it used, then the first 10K service is not free. The first 10K service includes a simple oil change and tire rotation that can run $485 or above. But like I said, depending on your area, it could be way cheaper. So just do your research on prices. There's also the 20K service that is an oil change, change of cabin air filter, and brake fluid. This can run between $500 or $1,000. So the range is huge depending on your area, but it can average to $500 or $600 or even way less. Then you have your 30K, 40K milestone services. Like I said, you just call around and compare prices, do your research, and it shouldn't be too expensive. So for everything warranty related, I definitely go to the Alfa dealership. You don't want to go to other shops that are not dealerships for warranty work. But anything that's not warranty related, like oil changes and so on, I go to trusted independent shops. So that is all, guys. I just wanted to come out with a quick video to answer some questions that I've gotten in the past. Also, if you have any more questions on maintenance and reliability or in general, please comment down below, and I want to continue to come out with more content. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.